Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. Guys, today I'm going to give the analysis based on the trend dashboard indicator. And first of all, if you have not joined my YouTube channel, then guys please do join it, subscribe it, and also if you have any inquiries then you can email me on info@200forexpips.com. Moreover, those subscribers who haven't joined the WhatsApp group till now, then guys please find the link of the WhatsApp group in the description of the video below. I give free signals in my WhatsApp group, so do not forget to subscribe to the WhatsApp group as well, so join it as well. Okay guys, today I'm going to give the analysis based on the trend board indicator that what happened as per the indicators, what was the market behavior. So guys, look at here. If you look at Euro USD, then you can see a very good drop on Euro USD, and Euro USD is going down from like 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. Euro USD is going down. As per this indicator, the market was at the overbought levels, and if you look at the trend dashboard, then it was indicating on the 1 hour down, and even on the 4 hours we have maximum down signals. So Euro USD has came into the downward side as per the trend dashboard indicator, because it has already highlighted us with the downward direction. Whereas this indicator is as well as us telling us that on the higher time frames, if we talk about Euro USD, then it can go into the upward direction. So how this indicator can be useful for you? So for example, look at the daily. On daily it says maximum up only, we have one down and rest of the things are up. And even based on the weekly chart, you can see maximum things are into the upward direction. So for example, let's say if the price comes up to here, let me put the line here. So let's say if the point comes up to here, the price drops up to here, and then we have the indication from the daily trend that the market can go into the upward direction, then guys you will take a buy chance at the lower side. Because once you have taken the benefit after the lower price, the lower the market is, the better advantage you can get. For example, look at this point. The price was very lower, and those those traders who have purchased Euro USD at this level, then you can see the price was moving up. So it is always better to buy at the lower price and sell at the higher price. So this is the basically story of the Forex, and that's I want to share my knowledge with you. So this is going to help you a lot, because buying with the trend dashboard indicator is very useful. Now you have two ways. So once the 1 hour and 4 hour turns down, then you can take a scalping chance into the sell position. Otherwise, on the higher time frames, you can take a buy position after when you see that the price has came to the maximum downside, then you can go into the buy direction. So this is going to help you in both the ways. Okay. Now let's talk about New Zealand USD. You can see on the 1 hour we have maximum downs, only 2 ups. So it means that if you are going to plan a trade on New Zealand USD, then your trade should be into the sell direction. And if you look at here, the market is changing its momentum. The market is going into the downward side. So overall, if someone asks me that what could be your possible trade on New Zealand USD, then definitely I will be able to say that I would like to take a sell position on this one. At next, Great Britain Pound USD. Now look at here. On the 1 hour, we have the picture changed to the down. So down signs are appearing here. So overall, the down. Again, the same theory applies. So for example, if the price comes much down up to here, then on the longer time frames, it is indicating you to buy the pair. Then you can take the buy positions later on. But right now, chance to take a sell position. Okay, USD CHF. So guys, not pretty sure about it, because you can see it's a mixture of a down and upward trend. However, in that scenario, when you see that it's going to make a mixture, then you consult the 1 hour and 4 hour chart. So it is giving us maximum up signs and less downward signs. So it means that if you want to take a scalping on USD JPY, then buy chances can be were open on USD JPY, and that was a clear chance to take a buy position. Okay, AUD USD. Now look at here, even everything is turning down, and look at the direction. The market has turned into the downward direction. However, the higher time frames indicating the upward. So when the price goes much down, then you will be able to buy this pair again. Okay, USD CHF, look at here again. Now this is just reverse this scenario that I was telling you. Look, on the 1 hour and the 4 hour we have maximum up signals, and look, the market has already gone up. And if you were having this indicator, and if you have traded as per the trend dashboard indicator, it already highlighted you that I am going into the upward direction. Things were changing. It will keep you updated on all time frames from 1 minute to daily and weekly. Okay, so now the market has gone up. Okay, now let's say we also have a resistance at this level because the market was rejected from that level. Now look at the trend dashboard indicator. On the higher time frames, it is indicating us the down signs. It means that from that level, or maybe after some level, the market will go down for some time. So because the main trend is indicating on the daily and the weekly chart, so be careful with this, because right now it's going up. That was fine. You have consulted the smaller time frames. From I just want you people to consult 30 minutes, 1 hour and 4 hour for scalping, and for the higher time frames you have to consult daily and as well as the weekly chart. Okay, now let's talk about the USD Canadian dollar. Look, 1 hour and 4 hour, on the 4 hour we have maximum, not maximum, the kind of mixture of a down and up, but whereas on the 1 hour we have maximum upward chances. So you can see USD Canadian dollar has already gone down, so let it go make the upward momentum, and after that, maybe when the market reaches up to that level, and after that it starts to go down, because on the daily and the weekly the market is still showing us the downward momentum. At next we have Great Britain Pound JPY. Guys, look at here, the things are changing on Great Britain Pound JPY. Downward predictions are coming from the trend dashboard indicator, and the market is pumping down, so you can take a chance. Whereas if we talk about the longer time frames, then it's into the upward direction. So Euro JPY, look guys, on the 1 hour it has completely highlighted you with a down direction, and only one up sign, and rest of all of the signals were the bears. So the market has gone down. So still by selling chances are on Euro JPY. If the market continues to go further down, then if it comes at this level, for example at this level, then you can take a buy position, because on the higher time frames the market is into the upward direction. Let's talk about the JPY. So overall guys, if you look at the pattern, the market is ranging. However, on the higher time frames the market is into the upward direction. And at last I would like to throw some light on gold. You know, the gold is very important, so some people would like to talk about here. Okay guys, do not forget that on the smaller time frames from 1 hour, the gold has highlighted the downward picture, and gold has already gone down. But do not forget that I have also talked about this thing in my previous video, that I have given the review based on this indicator. I told you that gold will make the upward trend later on, and if you look at this pattern, then it was very clear that the gold has made the upward pattern. It went up onto the higher side, and then it has again back to the some downwards level. So guys, about gold, I would like to say that whenever you see that the price has gone down, then you prefer to buy this pair, because buy this commodity gold is very good. It's still into the upward direction. I hope you like this analysis. If you have liked this analysis, then please give your thoughts into the comment box. And those subscribers who are willing to subscribe to my signal service, who are willing to get this trend dashboard indicator, who want to get the expert advisor, or who want to book the coaching session with me, because in the coaching session I teach many tricks. And if you want to learn that how I prepare my signals report, that is completely based on a trick, and if you want to learn that trick, then I teach that trick for 3 days on Skype. And if you want to book your session, then do not forget to send the email to info@200forexpips.com. Okay guys, looking forward towards your inquiries. Thank you for watching the video. Please press the like button and share this technical analysis with everyone. Thank you for watching the video.